Unveiling the mystery. What are canned vegetables? Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, canned vegetables. Whether you're shopping in a supermarket or cooking at home, understanding this phrase is quite useful. So, let's dive in and discover what exactly canned vegetables means in the English language. Canned vegetables refers to vegetables that have been preserved in a can. But what does this really mean? Firstly, the word canned implies that the vegetables are sealed in a metal container. This process involves preserving the vegetables by heating them in the can to kill bacteria, and then sealing the can to prevent new bacteria from entering. This method allows the vegetables to have a longer shelf life. Canning is a fascinating process. It begins with selecting fresh vegetables. These vegetables are then cleaned, chopped, and sometimes cooked. After this, they are packed into cans, often with water or a brine. The cans are then heated to a specific temperature to ensure all harmful bacteria are killed. Finally, the cans are sealed and cooled, making the vegetables safe to eat for months or even years. You might wonder, why use canned vegetables? There are several reasons. Canned vegetables are convenient. They're already cooked and ready to use. They have a long shelf life, making them a handy pantry staple. Plus, they can be a good source of nutrients, especially when fresh vegetables aren't available. Now, let's talk about using canned vegetables in cooking. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in various dishes, from soups and stews to casseroles and salads. It's important to remember that canned vegetables are often pre-salted, so you may need to adjust the amount of salt in your recipes. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at canned vegetables. I hope this video has helped clarify what they are, how they're made, and how you can use them in your cooking. Remember, learning English and its phrases can be fun and practical, especially when it comes to everyday topics like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.